So I've been meaning to pick up a bench block for a while, and rather than buy one, I figured why not make one, or make a couple. So I'm gonna go ahead and run one 3D printed PLA real quick. Alright, it's all finished up now. Let's go fit it, see how it hits. Alright, so we're just gonna do a basic test. Should be strong enough for anything that we're gonna throw at it for now. And now I got that done. And so now that that one's done, I'm gonna go ahead and turn one of these Delrin chunks into another bench block. It's gonna be a little bigger, a little beefier, a little heavier, way more solid and stout. And it's gonna be terrible to actually machine it, so follow along if you want to see me struggle with that.